Welcome to Mastering Leadership, unveiling the top 5 proven strategies. In this video, we'll share with you the essential ways to become a great leader. So grab your notepad and let's dive in. Strategy 1. Communicate effectively. Clear communication is crucial for any successful leader. Ensure your message is concise, articulate, and easily understood by your team. Foster an environment that encourages open and transparent communication, where everyone's opinions are valued. Strategy 2. Lead by example. Great leaders walk the talk. Your actions speak volumes, so set a positive example for your team to follow. Demonstrate integrity, initiative, and dedication, inspiring others to give their best. Show them what it means to go the extra mile. Strategy 3. Empower your team. A strong leader empowers their team to succeed. Delegate tasks, offer guidance, and trust your team members to make decisions. Encourage their growth by providing opportunities for professional development, boosting morale, and celebrating their achievements. Strategy 4. Foster a positive culture. Create a supportive and positive work environment. Show appreciation for your team's hard work and encourage collaboration. Emphasize the importance of work-life balance, promoting well-being and unity within your team. Strategy 5. Adaptability and flexibility. As a leader, you must be adaptable to changes and open to new ideas. Embrace innovation and inspire your team to be flexible in their approach. Learning from mistakes and continuously evolving is essential for long-term success. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found these strategies helpful in your journey to becoming a great leader. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.